Hello everybody and welcome to my first unboxing haul. As you can see, I am unboxing a small Hermes gift. If you like this type of video, like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and to support, subscribe my channel below. Voila! It's the Hermes Click H bracelet, size PM, yellow gold plated hardware, and the enamel color is marron glacé. Now you can see how to open the bracelet by pushing from both sides and sliding the H up, and then you push again and slide the H down. This can be a little tricky. Look at this beauty. This is such a classic Hermes piece, an amazing gift for any luxury lover.